If your business, school, or agency is still running phones, out of a box, in a wiring closet, I want to show you something better. And it's not new technology. It's been the standard for years. It's called hosted VoIP. And here's exactly what it does for you. Your voice becomes data. It travels over your internet connection instead of a copper phone line. And the entire phone system, the hardware, and the maintenance lives in a provider's secured data centers instead of your closet. You get the dial tone, the features, and the desk phones. We handle everything behind it, no equipment to buy. No technician driving out every time something breaks. Add a new employee or open a new location, and it takes minutes from a web portal. This isn't a small business experiment. Government agencies run on it. School districts run on it. Connecting every classroom and campus under one system. Call centers run on it for real-time call routing. Remote teams run on it because the office follows the person, not the building. Carolina Digital Phone has been building these systems here in North Carolina since 2000. 3 geo-redundant data centers. 25 years of doing exactly this for businesses, schools, and government offices across the state. And when you call, you get a real engineer, not a script reader in a call center somewhere else. We design your system around how your organization actually works, whether that's 5 people in one office or a large government department. Want to see exactly what this looks like for your team? Call 336-544-4000-544 to 4000 and book a discovery call. No pressure, just straight answers from someone who's done this for 25 years. Call 336-544-4000-544 to 4000. CarolinaDigitalPhone.com. Call us today.